our second stop. We are now reaching a Pakistani restaurant. It's our favorite restaurant it's called Mirchi's. Going upstairs to the banquet hall of Mirchi's.
Yeah.
For the first time, we will see.
Yeah, sure. This side, this side.
Oh, wow.
This side, this side, this side.
What's his name?
Sohail.
Mr. Sohail
Yeah.
is taking us around to show us the banquet hall for a beautiful occasion that is going to take place this evening. Look at the setup. Wonderful, marvelous. Well, we have tables, chairs, lighting. The deco is spectacular. You can have different kinds of functions over here. Just not, a certain wedding or occasion. You just have to tell Mr. Sohail, who is the owner of the restaurant, and they can set up, or you can set up on your own, whatever you like. Just to let you know, this occasion is a Mehndi Laga Ki. Oh, Mehndi Laga Ki Rakhna. The famous song too. Wow. For the groom, the bride, the families. I'll take you. The lights, the effects. Don't you think you want to come and enjoy? Mehndi Laga Ke Rakhna. The famous song. Old, but always in the groove. We've once again sat down to have our dinner meal at Mirchi's. The menu is extensive, but we do have our favorites, and soon we will be ordering a couple of dishes which we enjoy whenever we come to Mirchi's. Some of the dishes that we enjoy here are rice, jeera rice, dal, mash, aloo palak, fish tikka, shrimp tikka. As I am a pescatarian and vegetarian, so that serves me, while we order some extra dishes for the family like kebabs, biryani, nehari, halim, and so on. The menu goes on, and you're always satisfied with the food that they provide, and the amount, quality, quantity, never lacking. Taste to the T. We are here with our favorite server who always helps us, Miss Ramaji. She always knows what we need, the spice level, the food that we enjoy. Today we are going to be ordering with her the jeera rice palav, dal mash, mutton kadai, the fish tikka, and the shrimp tikka, and aloo palak, and maybe a kebab, a Reshmi Kabab. And that should be all for now, and in case we need more, we will definitely call on Ramaji, who's very helpful full of smiles. And that's what you want. The experience at Mirchi's is fantastic. Come, enjoy Pakistani food to the T. You will never be disappointed.
Thank you so much.
I want to give you a tour of Mirchi's restaurant to see the decor, to see the lighting, the ambiance of this restaurant, which is very authentic, very Pakistani, very cultural. Let's put it that way. But it's our favorite. You will never be disappointed. Here comes the salad, raita, chutney. So raita is a yogurt-based sauce with mint, lime, a little bit of spice like chaat masala. Chaat masala is made with, mango and the different spices, cumin, which is jeera, for those who don't know. And of course, a traditional Pakistani or Indian salad is always the kachumbar with cucumber, lettuce, onion. Many people call it pyaz. And the tamarind chutney, a tangy sauce made with different spices. Wow, look at this delicious food. This is the fish tikka marinated with spices, and the decoration to go with it, cucumber. Sometimes it's not even wanting to be edible because you don't want to destroy the beautiful decorations that they have created. Now we go on to the rice. It's a biryani, prawn biryani made just for me because, like I said, I'm a pescatarian and a vegetarian. So the biryani is rice marinated with spices, lots and lots of desi ghee, yummy. The saffron to add to the color of the rice. And look at the size of the prawns. Some people call it in Pakistan and in India, we call it jinga. Yes, beautiful. Spoon by spoon, you can ladle it into your plate. The steam, the aroma of the spices, incredible. This is my favorite among most of the dishes. Then we have the Bhindi masala. Bhindi is nothing else but okra. Okra with spices again. Tomatoes, onions, sauteed, garlic, ginger, and lots of cumin, saffron powder, turmeric powder to enhance the flavor. Beautiful. I take a little for a little taste. To garnish it, they have nice shreds of ginger and cilantro. Moving on, we have the chicken Reshmi Kabab, which has been charred and marinated into beautiful yogurt and spices. Look at the decoration once again with the cucumbers. Isn't that so incredible? Done a wonderful job. Like I said, come here, have a taste. Mirchi's in Calgary, Northeast. You'll never be disappointed. You want me to give you a test of what mirchis is like? Oh, sorry. Let's go the proper way. Got a piece? Wow. What's tangy sauce for my salad, cucumber, and it goes well even with the biryani. This is how I like to eat it. Just put a little sauce on my cucumber, the raita. Delicious. I'm going to extend my plate with more dishes. This is the goat Kadahi. Goat sauteed with onions, tomatoes, and a lot of spices. Cumin, chili powder, coriander, jeera powder. There's just cumin powder. Beautiful. So, then garnished with juliennes of ginger and cilantro leaves. Isn't that? I wish you were here. I wish it was smell-o-vision, not just show-vision. It would be lovely to come taste authentic flavors of Pakistan. I'm going to try one of the piece of the fish tikka, my favorite, with a little bit of onions, julienne. Let's give it a taste and a try. But before that, like I said, I love the tangy sauce of the raita that goes beautifully and well with every dish and every bite. True test of the action. To the tea. The aromas, the taste of each individual spice, cumin, chili powder. Tastes beautiful. Now I'm going to let you know about the biryani, the prawn biryani. In Pakistan, India, we also call it jinga biryani, prawn biryani here in the Western world. But let's give it a taste. For this, I'm going to add a bit of the tamarind sauce. And let's see what the tamarind sauce can enhance to the biryani flavor. Going straight into my mouth. Delicious. Oh yes. And okras, Bhindi masala. Did you know okra is very good for you? For your body. It helps in with diabetes, blood pressure, and so many other. But okra is definitely good for you. And the spices with okra, wow, wow, wow. Yummy. Right now I'm talking to the next partner. You met Mr. Sohail before. Right now I have Mr. Amjad with us, and I have to tell you, the food at Mirchi's Calgary Northeast location is a 10 out of 10. I would never go anywhere. For years I've been, eating at Mirchi's. The food only gets better. Every time the spices to the tea. We have a new dish come in, another favorite of mine, and it is the palak aloo. Look at the dish. You will never be disappointed. I have to show you the quality, the quantity. Wow, the color. One must be asking, what is aloo palak? Well, spinach and potatoes, that's all. but the spices that go into Aloo Palak, in making Aloo Palak here at Mirchi's Restaurant, look at the whiff, the smell. I wish you were here. Smell-o-vision. One day they'll invent smell-o-vision. Then you will come to Mirchi's, enjoy the food, and see how delicious. Not only the food, the service. There's Raj, there's Ramaji. The owners are definitely incredible. I'll give you a taste of Aloo Palak and let you know how tasty the food is right now. 10 out of 10. Mix it with plain rice, roti, biryani. You will not be disappointed. Well, most of the time, people just show you how much food they ordered. But really, do they show you how much food they have consumed and enjoyed? I have to show you up. Empties. Look around. See the empties. How we have enjoyed the fish tikka, prawn biryani, half down, mutton karai, 2 bones left, a little bit of the Bhindi sabji, aloo palak, even the cucumber, delicious. Raita, all gone. Roti, just 1 piece, half a piece left. And look at my plate here. 2 more bites and I am done. Delicious. As I end my meal today, I'd like to thank one of the most outstanding owners. For a long time, I have known Mr. Amjad. Thank you very much for a beautiful, delicious meal. Once again, look around. Plates are empty. What do you think, guys? People show you when the plates are full. I'm going to show you when the plates are empty, with the owner right here to make sure that you know how delicious this food is. Thank you for watching with us. See you next time. Mr. Amjad.